You ever drove a right-hand drive?
No, never.
We about to find out.
Just gotta figure out how to. There you go.
Oh.
Oh, there's nowhere to go.
Nope. Sounds really good.
I think it'll be fine.
Yeah.
Figure it out. Yeah, it's just different. That's all.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like it comes as supernaturally as the, driving on the other side. But this is like anything else in life. It's like you just need reps. I just need some reps in it and it'll be fine. All right, we're good. Where's the turn signal?
I don't know.
Oh, it's on the other side. That's so funny.
Man, it pulls really good.
Man, this feels nice. I think I can get used to JDM cars. Turbo for sure feels nice. Sounds good.
Dude, that sounds really good and it feels really good. I forgot you have to sit down before you get out. What's up, everybody? We're over here at the Justin's house, getting the kit on so we can get the wheels on, get the car on the ground. No, it's not hopefully, we are doing it. It's happening. And then we're gonna take it to Mr. Wayne's house, and I don't know the plans from there. They do, but they'll fill you in on it. What's going on?
So we're pretty much done. We just gotta torque everything down and put the tie rods together, and then we'll be straight.
So what y'all end up doing about the arms? Y'all just ordered stock ones?
Yep,
or?
order stock ones. We've got them somewhere around there. Oh, we were just
I got
trying.
them over here.
Yeah.
I'm messing with this.
Trying to see how much you gotta shave down.
Yeah. Alright.
I'm already feeling better about this, Wayne.
Oh yes.
Almost.
That's good.
We're getting closer.
Yeah.
Yeah, just take a little bit more off.
3 on it.
On the same side, what about the other side?
Bada bing, bada boom.
Holy moly, that took a lot of...
I told you it'd work out, Wayne.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm new. I'm new here.
I'm the new guy.
This will hold it in place to make it a roller. We can sort out the rest of the hardware later, I guess. Got it.
Like a glove.
Like a glove.
I think last time he said to put it at the widest it'll go.
Out here?
Yeah. No, in more.
Oh, in?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure I said that wrong, but.
I really don't remember.
Well, it's there now.
There.
You know. Might have not been that Ryan. It might have been this Ryan that said it. You know.
Wrong Ryan.
Wrong Ryan.
I need more nuts.
Me too.
Don't we all?
Well, I found an old nut.
To build it, and then I put all forged internals.
54 or 55?
54.
Yeah.
I had upgraded twins, and then I went to a big single.
Yeah. And have you had like major tuning issues with
Nope.
the big single?
Nope, none.
Nothing. And they're all like scheduled. What is it? 12 for the injectors, like you've
Index
upgraded all-
12s.
Index 12.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Yeah, my brother's got one that's pretty built, but just upgraded twins. It's pretty strong too. Like these
When I
things
had
are
the
torque
upgraded
monsters.
twins, it was 605 dynoed.
Shit.
And
Yeah.
then I was like, my turbo seal started going out, so I pulled the motor out to do the turbo seals. I was like, Well, I'm here now, so I might as well put
Yeah,
a big
especially
single.
on these motors, like it's definitely like a while you're there, man. Just bite it and just fucking do
Yeah.
it.
Wife
Yeah.
wasn't happy, but I'm happy.
Yeah, dude. Happy husband, happy life.
Yeah.
There you go on this side of here.
You smell this? Eurocars have a crazy scent. I wonder if yours has that scent. What's this smell like?
You end up doing the same thing.
Yeah, it's definitely an Asian smell.
In the opposite direction, right?
Yeah.
Can I open your door? See if yours has that smell.
I don't know. I just smoked cigarettes.
Well, it probably smelled like a German bar then. Let's see. Yep, smells like German cigarettes.
Hell yeah.
So, pretty good. Smells like horsepower.
What bolt did you put through the right here?
Just one of these. But we didn't have enough hardware, so I just.
Will this thread onto it?
I think this might be.
There's some old hardware here that might work.
I'll just send it.
Yeah, I think right now we're just trying to learn how to make this thing roll.
And then when he's on the track and something falls off, he's like, oh yeah, we forgot to change that bolt out.
We will go through a process. But for now, we're just trying to move the car.
You remember that time we were in the garage and we said the zip tie could hold the knuckle on? Well, kind of left it on it. Oh. Nope. No. It's not, we're losing it. Come on.
We're just like we're there.
It's almost there.
Yeah, just give it a wiggle.
Actually.
I don't think.
Pry it down a little.
Yeah.
Well, that works. Screw this thing, you know?
I think that's the right one, anyways.
Got a hold?
No, I just wanted to.
What do y'all think? Leave it in the comments. It works. That's pro spec right there.
Where's the welder?
There you go.
Done.
That looks a little better than the
Going
other one,
home.
You know?
I'm out.
Union brake. All connected.
Told you Ryan's gonna work.
Yeah.
Believe me.
Negative Nancy over here, you know?
Yeah, you were.
We're just gonna have to get a shorter one.
It's. I hope we can
Tub
make the
it
tire
or
fit
cut it
in
out.
All of that. That's gonna be the question.
So the tire doesn't scrub.
Like my angle.
Huh?
It's gonna work.
You're gonna take the fenders off?
Oh yeah, buddy.
Fenders gotta come off? Okay, let's pull the fenders off.
We can raise the coilover.
Now it's really gonna look like a race car.
Oh yeah, coilovers I think are maxed out right now, just about.
Bottom out.
Yeah, these coilovers are bottomed out. So
No, I mean the tie rod is bottom.
really?
We don't have. My tie rod's is too long. That's maxed out with the steering wheel center.
Yeah.
But that's just gonna be that for now.
better?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, a lot better. There we go. That'll give us enough just to get it over here too.
All that work you just did.
Sorry.
I hate this.
Sorry.
All right, so we just got everything put together. We got the wrong lug nuts. Go figure. So Ryan went to go get lug nuts, and all we gotta do is put wheels on, lower the car, scoot that thing on the trailer, and take it over to old Wayne's house. pretty good, huh?
Fucking gnarly.
That is nuts, dude.
I'm gonna need more acronym though. That's not bad though. I think I could do stuff with that.
I mean, shit.
I can do stuff with that.
Orderly!
You're good. Keep going.
He's good on this side.
Okay. Turn that way, son.
Excuse you? Whoa!
All right, now straight.
Oh, that skirt's not having a good time.
Great. More this way again.
Oh, now, where are you going, buddy?
Calling OSHA over here.
Welcome to the Notorious channel, guys. We are loading up, or we just loaded up the JZX. We are bringing it over to Wayne's house, and we have the new driver here for the car that we're bringing on for clutch kickers. Guys, this is
I'm Santi. I'm feeling blessed. It's a super cool opportunity to work with a group of guys that actually knows a whole lot more about building cool engines and definitely building cool cars. So we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna learn a lot, and we're gonna rip.
You forgot to tell us your like social security number.
Oh yeah. You guys want my crypto account too?
Yeah.
And like, yeah. But the only thing you're gonna find there is pictures of my butthole. So, but yeah, Garon Santiago. I got started drifting in like 02, so I'm pretty OG. But you know, life brings me away and brings me back. So we're back now.
What are you drifting? And where do you drift?
Currently I'm driving an E46 wagon. A little 2.5 liter, 250,000 miles. You know, this is something that I've just really enjoyed. It's been a really fun car. It's been surprisingly quick. I've been able to keep up with, you know, like 350Zs, you know, with a small tire on the car too and stuff like that. So I think this year we're definitely gonna, you know, dip our feet into higher level competition. We're gonna be looking for the advantages and disadvantages that we might have with this chassis. We're gonna learn about it, and we're gonna sort the car out, and we're gonna be looking to be getting competitive. Like I want to compete. Like, yeah, I like podium.
So so how Santi and I met was like probably almost like 12 years ago or so, at the car meets here in town. He had his E36 back then. Yep. And we ended up taking his E36 down to an event at Five Flags and won that event actually. That was what, 2012, 2013 I think it was? 12
or 13,
yeah,
around there. Alejandro was a judge.
Yep.
We got a little contact.
No shit.
Yeah.
We got a little contact with the finalist. I think his name was Dino. He was a cool guy. He took it super well.
Yeah.
But I got out of the car, man. I was like, all right, he's a little bigger than me, but like, you know what I'm saying? Like, but he came out and hugged me up, man. And so like we had a real cool laugh about it. Like it was real cool.
It was good. It was good. That battle was so awesome because it was their hometown hero versus you, and it was like 3 or 4 of us on the sideline cheering for you, and then the rest of the whole crew was cheering for Dino. Yeah. But so like I distinctly remember the battle. I don't know if you remember it that much.
Yeah. I remember it. I feel like I looked him dead in the eyes and was just like, it's my line, bro. I'm leading. I'm not fucking moving. And he just came in and I just bumped him a little bit, just spun him around and just kept on cruising, man. It didn't even unsettle the car. Like I barely felt it. It was. Yeah. But it didn't cause any damage to him either. So it was cool.
Yeah. It was nice. Winning that event was like a huge high.
Yeah. So. And then right before that, me and my dad had just gone to Nopi, Atlanta, where I met Taylor Hull, and he stole victory from me. Shut up with your interview. Yeah. But yeah, so we had just gone to Nopi, and again that same car.
Yeah.
Dude, after like top 16, I was probably 300 horsepower down every time.
Thanks, Wayne.
Yeah. But yeah, after top 16, man, I was probably at least 200 horsepower down on everybody I was competing with. But it was a good tight track. It kind of favored me, and I had been consistent with it. So I got second place there.
Oh, is that where you lost to Taylor Hull at?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
dude.
and then I went down there and won with you guys in Five Flags.
Yeah.
And then I shot down to Florida. I thought this was where I was supposed to be, and like all that stuff. I totaled my car, and my whole life like dissipated within like 3 months.
Oh,
like
man.
it just all fell apart. But it was all cool. Like
Yeah.
I learned a lot. You know, that's what life is, man. So we're just driving through all of it now. We're gonna learn some new things. We're gonna have some ups and downs, but it's in my opinion, it's all up, because like the downs are just an opportunity to learn and work together. So it's gonna be awesome.
So we're putting the JZX together. It'll probably be done. I'd say we probably got another 2 months worth of work that'll be on it. We still have the motor to get finished. We're setting off the motor right now to get the head decked and do a little bit of work there. But it should be too much more. We got the angle kit bolted up. We just gotta settle that in, dial that in, and then get the car tuned, and then we're good, honestly. So yeah, that's about it, man.
And then we just got to figure out if I can learn
Drive
how
it.
to drive on the wrong side of the road. That's it.
You did pretty good in the Skyline.
Yeah, like normal driving, I think is not a real representation. It's wait till like shit gets weird, and then you're like,
I don't know what to do with my hands.
Pull the other car's high handbrake, you know, whatever. But we'll sort that out. Just need some reps, man. Just need some seat time. So we're gonna get dialed in. That's it. We're gonna build it, and hopefully not break it.
Maybe not.
Yeah. Maybe we'll break it. We'll break things. Look, drifting is. I mean, I've done like 10 events on my car, and it feels like I need to go through the whole thing, man. Bushings, you know. So like, you know, drifting takes its toll on cars. So we'll run across that. We'll find weak links in these cars, just like I can find weak links in E46s and everything else. We'll be all right.
For sure.
All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. The guys are taking the car to the shop, to Wayne's shop, and they're gonna unload it there, and that's probably where you'll see the car in the next video. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment, leave a comment down below what y'all wanna see, what event you want us to go to. I think we'll be at the Memorial Day event at Mid Pond. So yeah, much love everybody.